Exercise 4.1, Standard 11, question number 18. Prove 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is less than 1 by 8 into 2n plus 1 the whole square where n belongs to n by PMI, principle of mathematical induction. Okay, so we'll start. So let Pn be a statement. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n is less than 1 by 8 into 2n plus 1 the whole square where n belongs to n. Now, for n is equal to 1, P1, what is LHS? 1, correct? Now what is RHS? 1 by 8 into 2 into 1, wherever you see n, there you put 1 plus 1 the whole square, that is equal to 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3, 3 square is 9 by 8, 9 by 8 means 1 point something, so here 1 is less than 9 by 8 I can say, that is LHS is less than RHS, so therefore what you can say, P1 is true. Give it step number 1, result number 1. Now let Pk be true. That is, Pk is a statement. Which is statement? Wherever you see n, there you put k. So you get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k is less than 1 by 8 into 2k plus 1 the whole square where k belongs to n. Now to prove Pk plus 1 is true. That is to prove Pk plus 1 is a statement. Which is statement? Wherever you see k, there you put k plus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus 1 is less than 1 by 8 into 2 into k plus 1 the whole square. That is RHS I am writing. That is nothing but 1 by 8 into 2k plus 3 the whole square. This is what RHS. Now I'll start with LHS to prove that. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus last term is what, k plus 1. So before this which term will come? Of course k will come. So up to here this much value, is less than 1 by 8 into 2k plus 1 the whole square, plus this is what, k plus 1. Now taking LCM, this will be less than 1 by 8, taking a common LCM or LCM 8 LCM. So this will be what, 4k square plus 4k plus this 8 will go there, so 8k plus 8. So that will be less than 1 by 8 4k square plus 4 plus 8, 12k plus 8. So that will be less than what, 1 by 8, what is common, 4, inside the bracket k square plus 3k plus 2. That is less than what, 4 by 8. This I am writing as it is, or in this I will do one arrangement. What is that arrangement? I want to get that. Actually I don't want to simplify this. I want to get less than. So what I am doing, I want 2k plus 3. So what I am saying, this place 8, 1 by 8 is less than 4k square plus 12k plus 9 I am writing. Why? Because 8 is less than 9. So this whole term will be less than this. So that is less than, because we want to get less than, we don't want to get equal to. So 1 by 8. So it will be what, 4k square plus 12k plus 9. This is nothing but what, 2k plus 3 the whole square. What we want to get, that only we want simplify, in that way only want to get. So 2k plus 3 the whole square. So actually what I proved, you see, this is LHS, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus 1. So before this k will be there. So now see, 2 is less than 5. So 2 plus 3 will be less than 5 plus 3. I hope you understood. So therefore this is less than this. So this plus this will be less than this plus this, you see. Now actually this portion is equal to this. So 1 by 8 LCM, taking 8 here 8k plus 8. So this equals to this. Here I am writing equals to. Now here again 4k square plus 4k plus 12k. Again this is equals to this. Okay. Now here this term is less than this term. Same reason. 2 is less than 5. So 2 plus 3. So here I write 8 plus 1. So this is less than plus 1. I hope you understood. 2 is less than 5. So 2 plus 3 is less than 5 plus 3. So this will be less than plus 1. This plus 1. Okay. Now here this is nothing but 2k plus 3 the whole square. Okay. So now actually what happens? This is equal to this. This is equal to this. And this is less than this. Okay. And this is equal to this. So this term is equal to this term, but this term is less than this term, these two terms. So finally this will be overall, this will be less than this. One more time I am saying, see, 2 is less than 2 plus 1. That concept I have used here. Okay, so again one more time, you see it is a confusing part. This plus this will be less than this plus this according to this concept, and this is equal to this I have written equals to. This is equal to this, again I have written here. Now these two are same, but this value is less than this value. These two are same, sorry, these two are same, these two are same, but overall we want to compare with this. Overall we want to compare with this. So this term is less than this. Okay, this equals to this equals to this, and this is again less than this. So what I can say, 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 4. So finally 2 is less than 4, no? That concept only we have used here. In solution you will see everywhere you will see equals to, but actually there is a mistake. So here this will be equals to, so I have kept equals to, and this will be less than, and this will be less. So finally overall I can say this whole term is less than this term. So therefore finally I can say therefore 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus 1 is less than 1 by 8 into 2k plus 3 the whole square. So therefore I can say pk plus 1 is true. Therefore pk is true. Pk is true implies pk plus 1 is true. Give it result number 2. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, Pn, this Pn is true for all n belongs to n by PMI, principle of mathematical relation. Again I am repeating, you see the concept, try to understand. This overall is less than equal to less than this term, this is equal to this term, this is equal to this term, but this term is less than this, and this term is equal to this term. So finally this term will be less than this term. Concept I have explained here. Okay.